In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up LinkedIn credentials in n8n. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable connection that you can plug into your workflows without re-entering details each time. First, open your n8n interface and look to the left-hand sidebar. Find the Personal area and head into the Credentials tab. This is your central place for managing secure connections to external services. In the top right corner, click Create Credential. This starts the setup flow and ensures your LinkedIn connection will be stored safely and available across your projects. Next, in the search box that appears, type LinkedIn. When you see LinkedIn in the list of available apps, select it and click Continue. This ensures n8n knows exactly which integration you're configuring and will present the correct fields and authentication flow for LinkedIn's API. Now you'll enter the credentials needed for the API connection. You'll see clearly labeled fields that correspond to what LinkedIn's API expects. As you fill these in, consider giving the credential a clear, descriptive name so you can spot it easily later, especially if you work across multiple environments or teams. Double-check each value for typos and make sure your access level matches what your workflows will need. If scopes or permissions are shown, choose only what's necessary for your use case to keep things secure and tidy. When everything looks good, click Save. n8n will securely store the credential so you don't have to re-enter it again. With your LinkedIn credentials saved, you're ready to use the connection inside your workflows. Open or create a workflow, add a new node, and search for the LinkedIn node. When you add it, look for the Credentials dropdown and select the credential you just created. From there, you can configure the node's operation, such as reading data or performing actions, without touching the credential details again. If your workspace has multiple credentials, that dropdown is also where you can switch between them quickly. That's all there is to it. You went from the Credentials tab, created a new LinkedIn credential, saved it, and now you can apply it to any LinkedIn node in your n8n workflows. Keeping credentials centralized like this makes your automations more consistent, easier to maintain, and safer to scale. If you ever need to update or rotate them, just return to the Credentials tab, make the change once, and every connected node will use the updated settings automatically.